IKEA has completed the first year of its establishment of its Hyderabad store, with more stores coming up in the next few years in Mumbai and Bangalore. Here's the thing, IKEA needs to watch out. Two startups from India, Pepperfry and Urbanladder, are slowly but surely establishing the online furniture market in India. Both have great designs, both have competitive prices, and best of all, it's very easy to place orders on both of them. Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. In this video, we'll try to understand how Pepperfry and Urbanladder works and try to answer the question, is it worth buying from them? Pepperfry and Urbanladder both are primarily online furniture stores, meaning you can place order online and the furniture will be delivered to you. Both have offline experience centers where you can go and see their furniture. A key difference between Pepperfry and Urbanladder is that Pepperfry is a marketplace like Flipkart or Amazon where manufacturers can list their products. The advantage is with Pepperfry you get a wider selection, you get major brands like Nilkamal, like Godrej Interio, like Durian, brands which have been established over 20, 30, 40, even 50 years. Whereas on Urbanladder you get a smaller collection but little bit more focused, little bit more concise. The value addition with Pepperfry is that they have invested a lot in technology. They have 3D view on their phone. Urbanladder also has a great app, but the advantage of buying with Urbanladder is that the furniture is self-designed. They procure their own material, they get it manufactured with different manufacturers and have slightly better quality control. So both Pepperfry and Urbanladder work in a fairly simple way. You place an order online, it gets dispatched from their warehouses, it's delivered and installed at your house. The key difference between Pepperfry and Urbanladder is that the dispatch from Pepperfry, although it happens through its own warehouses, it is done from their manufacturing partners. The products which you get are from different brands. Whereas in Urbanladder, it's their own brand. They design their own furniture, they have their own colors, they have their own ergonomics, etc. Now everything sounds great, right? It feels fairly simple, it feels fairly convenient. Prices on these furniture stores are fairly quite decent, not too low, not too high. Well, here's the thing. Irrespective of whether a furniture brand is online or offline, has its own store, has its own app, whatever it is, by default, the furniture industry, one of the most significant costs is the logistics cost. And one of the way furniture companies, irrespective of who it is, reduces the logistics cost is by choosing lighter and lighter materials. For example, a lot of furniture which you buy today, irrespective of where you buy it from, is made of particle board. Particle board is essentially sawdust glued together between two sheets of laminate. The second thing is, when you do decide to buy online, you can't touch and feel the furniture. Of course, they have set up their experience centers in various locations. We have linked some of the locations down below. But here's the thing, they will never have every single piece of furniture in those locations. And when you go to an offline store which is not one of these two brands, they will of course have a very limited selection. And finally, irrespective of where you buy your furniture from, if it's ready-made, you will not have any level of customization. You will have to literally buy it like a t-shirt which you buy and use it. So here's the thing, furniture is essentially a commodity business. What I mean by that is when you get down to the details, buying furniture from a seller A and a seller B, if the details are the same, the difference in cost will be very less. The way companies differentiate is in terms of their customer policies, in terms of their refunds, in terms of their services, in terms of their warranties. So keeping all these things in mind, here is my suggestion. If you're looking to buy furniture for your rented house, it is only then I would suggest to go with online furniture stores. If you're building your own home, I would suggest spending the time and hiring a carpenter and getting custom made furniture. And finally, if you're just making a small one-time purchase, it'll be more expensive to buy it online because the shipping costs are higher for small items. It would make sense to just buy it from a local furniture store. Don't forget to check out our companion video to this one, do's and don'ts before buying furniture online. If you have any particular video you would like us to cover related to home interiors, home construction, home electricals, etc., comment below and let us know and we will cover it. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. It really helps us. And subscribe to this channel for more future content. Thanks for watching.